I am one of the world's few instant coffee nuts. That's me. Yeah, I know. A lot of people like to do all the fancy grinding and all that. Not me. I like instant coffee. Easy to make. Tastes good when you find the right one. So this is the family-owned community coffee signature blend. This is a dark roast right here. And when it arrives, looks just like this. This is a plastic container, which I like, just in case you drop it. It's got the story of the company on one side, and it tells you how to make it. You're going to use 8 ounces of water and 1 heaping teaspoon. I've got about a 12-ounce cup here, and I'm probably going to use 2.5 or so teaspoons because I'm that guy. Totally sealed when you get this. We're going to peel that off. And you can see the grounds on here are relatively fine, which I like. I like fine coffee grounds. I don't want them too clumpy. But there we go. So super easy to make. I like to use an electric tea kettle right here. It says 1 teaspoon for 8 ounces. That's about a teaspoon. I'm going to use 2 here, maybe 2 1/4. Throw it in, put your fixins in there. I like my Splenda. A little local honey in there. That's just me. And I like some half and half in mine. Just a little bit. There we go. Simply add water and stir. And easy as that, we're done. Decent tasting, dark roast, instant coffee. I love my instant coffee.